Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's section, I'll be showing you how to get IP address with the help of a Python program. Before starting the video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, please subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications about our latest updates and you do not miss out on our future uploads. Thank you. So let's get started. As I said, today's topic is getting our IP address with the help of a Python program. So as you can see here, I'm inside my PyCharm IDE. I will go to my project panel and in my Coders Arcade directory, I will go to my workspace and here I will create a new Python file and let the name be say get IP address. And I will press enter. So this is done. Now let me minimize this project panel so that I can show you the entire screen. Now in order to get the IP address of a computer or PC, you have to import a module. The name of that module is socket. So I will use the import statement and then I will import my socket module. So you can see I have imported the socket module, and as soon as I import the socket module, I can use all the methods or functions that are inside this module. Now I will create a variable, say host name, host underscore name, and in this variable I will call my socket module, and in this socket module I have a function called get host name. In order to access that function, I have to use the dot operator. And as soon as I press the dot operator, you can see I get this get hostname method or the function. You can see it's highlighted here. So I will press enter. So this part is done. And after that, what I have to do is I have to create a variable for the IP address to be stored. So I will create a variable IP address is equal to, now again I will call my socket module and use the dot operator, and as soon as I press the dot I get all the methods here. I want one special method or function which is the get host by name. So what this will do is this will fetch the IP address of this PC or computer and store it in the IP address variable. So I will just press enter. And inside this, it is asking me for the hostname string or the variable. So in this case, my variable is my hostname variable, which I created here. You can see here, this is the variable hostname, and I have to call it here. So let me call it host name. So this is done. Now with this line of code, I have stored this PC's IP address into this IP address variable. Now I just need to print this IP address. So I will use the print statement, and inside this I will call my IP address variable. This is done, but let us make it a little more good. So what I will do is I will use the formatted string f quote and I will write the IP address is, and then I will use the placeholder so that I can call my IP address variable. This looks good, right? So this is done, and then I will use the quote. So this is complete. Now let me run this program so that I can show you the output. I will right click and then I will run this program, and you can see the IP address is 192.168.0.110. So this is the output. This is a very simple program with the help of which you can get the IP address of a particular computer or machine. So guys, this is the simple code. I hope you have understood about this. If you have any doubts in this code also, you can post them in the comment section. I will be very happy to clarify those doubts. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and receive notifications about our latest updates. So this much for today. Thank you and happy learning. Stay focused and keep learning. See you in our next session. Thank you.